Hunter's log entry number 1. We've made it to Durango, Colorado. We've already got our licenses. We're legal now. Now it's time to celebrate. First round. Video blog 2.0. We are here. We lost phone service about 20 minutes ago. When we say back country, we really do mean back country. Hunter's log number 3, first morning. We made it through the night. Got camp set up. We got Chef Escobar over there making some pancakes before we get started. I'm slacking. I still got my tent and everything to pack up, but we're gonna get packed up and get on our way. Elk down. Hunter's log, part 4. Here we go.
All packed up.
Everyone's packed up. We got our packs.
Got about a mile and a half
Packed tight. This is the last time we're gonna see Bob for a couple days. So hopefully we found everything we needed and we got it. Talk to you on a few. Elk down. Hunter's log number 8, day 2 of hunting. We're about 4 miles into the hunt, which is also a hike. You can see some pretty thick territory, some pretty good terrain. Kicking our ass, but luckily we trained for this, so we're ready. Toes feeling good. Can't help but to just admire God's work here. Part hunt, part hike. Absolutely beautiful. Crystal clear blue water. Here comes Andrew Escobar, elk hunt 2018. Hunter's log number 8. We got some pretty steep incline here. I tried it out and I get to take the videos. Orly tightening in back there. Here he comes, he's got it. Good job. All right, here comes Orly. Same face. Elk hunt. Durango, Colorado. San Juan Mountains, 2018. Pure vert. With a pack. Like a mountain goat. So how you feel, man?
Feel good.
Hunter's log number 9. We've got a little contour situation. Topo lied to us, so now we are, I don't even know if y'all could see it, on the side of a cliff. Decided it ain't worth it. We're gonna pack it in, go down the way we came. Unfortunately, we were a little ambitious on the way up, and as you can see, we trekked some pretty nasty shit. So now, we've got to go back down it. Hopefully not Hunter down. 18. Sorry to worry y'all. We're all right. That's our lunch spot down there. So, all we got to do is this part. Hunter log number 10. Hunter not down. heading back to camp. We'll see what we do from there. Hunter's log number 11. We are back to the lunch spot after just traversing this nasty hill. They're probably about 50 to 100 foot of vertical elevation between me and the guys there. I was too chicken to go up, so I got a head start on them coming down. I'd like to thank Alvin San Miguel, Kevin Allums for forcing me to go down steep shit just like this on skis. Those muscles and the cojones required to do that just came in handy. Thank you, boys. Elk Down 2018. Hunter's log number 11. We just got in from day 2 of hunting. Back at base camp here. Made the decision to stay one more night, even though the elk didn't participate today. What we have here is a failure for damn sure. So the idea was to throw a rope over a branch in order to hang our food so the bears don't get the food or us. And originally we threw it around the branch. Spent 20 minutes trying to get it out. And now we've thrown another stick up there and don't have enough rope. So Orly's going for round 3 over here. All right, we're back. Hunting vlog number 12 now. We almost had a big disaster. Christopher's heading down to shower. And we almost didn't have the water bag. Now that we decided to stay for the night, we need extra water because we're not heading straight up to the truck. So Christopher's crazy ass is going down and doing a shower with flip-flops, as you can see.
Yeah.
But he's gonna bring us water back, so we'll forgive him. All right, off to cooking. Hunter's log number 13, day 3 of hunting. We're all packed up. Campsite is gone. Day 3, feeling lucky. We're packing it back to the truck. We heard bugling last night though, from about 1 o'clock until daylight, so maybe they're feeling the pressure. Orly's on call today.
The plan is we're gonna call a bull in within 18 yards on the way back up the mountain.
Bull down, 2018. Log number 14. We're in the woods. Orly just called in a bull. Tell him the story, Orly.
We just called in a 5x5 about from, I don't know, 200 yards away, and he came in. 42 yards, I had a shot. I missed. But we had him working. We've been working him for the last probably hour. I think we know where he's at. We're gonna try to go after him again.
We dropped our packs about 200 yards down. Made an audible. We're heading to the truck. Heard him bugling. Just hauled the ass up. We're gonna go try to find Orly's arrow. Get right back on him. Pull down. Hunter's log number 15. Moment of truth. We had a shot.
Come in close.
We had a shot. We found
So
her.
like I said, missed. Check out the arrow. Just to be sure. Yeah, unfortunately, clean miss. But I was able to turn him around. We were after him. I shot from over there. If you look at that downed tree, that makes a V. I was right there. Further that way.
We're not giving up.
It is what it is. You know, it happens.
Day 3.
We gotta go find another one.
Still going. Elk Down 2018. That might sound like a bully, but it's just Andrew Escobar making the last of a ascent up to the truck. We made it, boys. All three of us up at the truck. 2-mile ascent. How you feeling, bro? You made it. No words. Truck. Happiness. Elk County, 2018. Hunter's log number 15, the most exciting one we've had yet. Still no elk, but we have grandma's tortillas, some sausage.
Thank you, Grandma. I saved these since you made them for me and Uncle Omar's.
We got love, laughter, and some food.
We're safe.
We're safe.
Thank God.
The truck, beautiful mountains.
Got a chance.
Christopher has caught his breath now, and he's back to breathing
Yes.
normally. Look at that blue sky. Gorgeous.
Mountains.
We're gonna get a snack, pack up our big tent, then we're heading back up. Elk Down 2018. All right, Hunter's log about number 15. We are in another mountain. It is called
Hotel Draw.
Hotel Draw. So we're trying some different stuff. Christopher's gonna go ahead and drive the vehicle down so Orly and I don't have to walk all the way down. He's gonna give us a great service. It is not bowing out. We appreciate it very much.
That's right.
Because we get a
We're gonna get a mountain Uber.
yeah, exactly. He's gonna be our Uber driver today. Hunter's log number 16. Day 3 is over. Some success this morning. Bittersweet.
Success.
Orly and I just got back off a 7-mile afternoon hunt. Heard somebody bugling down a canyon. Christopher was gracious enough to bring the truck to us so it wasn't a 10-mile hike. So we're gonna wrap it up. We miss the kids, we miss the spouses, worried about everyone. We don't think the text message is working as well as we thought it would. So we're heading into town. We're gonna call everybody and get caught up. Miss you all. Elk Down 2018. Real quick, Hunter's log number 16, day number 4. We are here. It might be 18. We're somewhere in that range. We're in the teens. But we are here at our next stop, just north of Ouray and Ridge Point, I believe. Ridgeway. Everyone's getting prepared. As you can see, got all of our camp stuff
yard
out.
sale going on here.
A little bit of yard sale. A lot of work goes into this. We're fixing to fire up some ribs there. I don't want to be last to be out of here, but we're hoping we have some better luck here. Wow, got a good night's worth of rest. Some good food. We're hoping to hit the trail hard today. Listening to our outfitter Orly and making sure we're lightening our packs. Getting rid of everything that we didn't use on the first 3 days because the backs are sore, the legs are a little bit sore, but we're gonna go get one. Elk Down 2018.
Back from home cooking up in the mountains, Colorado. Got Orly over there getting his pack set up. And we got Noe up there on this truck getting his pack set up.
Getting ready to go.
My pack's almost all the way done.
We're getting ready to go up that mountain up there.
You can see that? You don't even see the top of the mountain. All you see is trees.
19, 20,
Here we go. Hunter's log number
19, 20.
19 or 20. We're ready. About an hour and a half later, we're ready to go. We're prayed up. God's gonna be with us on this trip.
Amen.
Keep our back strong and our legs strong, but keep us safe more than anything. Here we go.
Them boys are working today. Sun at their backs.
Yes, sir.
Hard slopes.
It'll all be worth it.
How you feel, Mr. Escobar?
Feeling good, sir. Mr. Escobar. Here we go, baby.
Showing this generation how to do it.
Mind over mouth.
What do you got to say to the next generation?
Keep pushing. Pain is temporary. Hustle. Favor follows hustle. Let's do it, baby. Hunter's log number 19. We just went 2.6 miles, pretty much flat vertical. We went up 1,800 vertical feet to get to our campsite. And as you can see, it's Goldilocks. Somebody's already here. So we have a choice to continue to hike and go find another one. Let's go. All right, Hunter's log number 20. Day 4. We made it vertically, about 1,900 vertical feet, over 2.7 miles. We think we've given the other hunters enough space. We're gonna wait for them to return, talk to them. Orly's killing it today. He doesn't feel tired at all whatsoever. Bro's over there already staking his claim to the flattest spot. And my fat butt is sitting down and relaxing for a minute. We're gonna figure it out. This might be it, but it's definitely a break time. We're gonna earn a good night's sleep and get started in the morning. All right, Hunter's log number 21. Here we are. We're at our new camp, and this is attempt number 9 to get it over this.
Number 5.
Each one of us has taken at least one shot. Here we go. Oh, and the pressure was on. Don't let it. Okay. So the oh, that's beautiful. The idea was to use this long stick to feed it over there because, as y'all can decipher by now, we failed once again, throwing this rock over this here branch to keep the food away from the bears. So same hysteria. I'm hysterical right now as well. But now that branch just broke, so gotta go back to plan A. We'll let you know how it turns out. I failed. So
Help me out with this.
Rock
please.
was the issue. So we're going again. I'm holding this string. Andrew's going. He feels good. He winds up. And we have almost a success. We're back, people. Here's the broken stick. The broken stick touches the rope. He's gonna hook it. The old hook and ladder. He's got it. This is a lot more difficult than just getting a stuffed animal out of the quarter machine at the bowling alley. Oh, and he goes with brute force. Don't tangle it up. Don't tangle it up. All right, people, I think we're good. I could reach that. And there we have it. 10 attempts, but we got it. Good night now. Good morning. Here we are, Hunter's log number 22. This is day 5 of the hunt. September 10th. It's a Monday. It's the start of our work week here up in the mountains. So we woke up early. You can barely maybe see that there's a little bit of light.
We've got water.
We got some work to do today. It's a new place, so we have a new water source. Christopher didn't feel like it was safe to go down there at night, so we don't get coffee this morning. Wake up early, no caffeine. We're hungry. We just got some breakfast. Trying to get some nutrients in so we can make this hike. It's going to be a little bit steeper today, so we need the energy. Plan's still the same.
We're hopeful we can find some bulls.
Orly said he didn't sleep last night. He was so excited. There's only 3 hunters up here right now. I'm excited because one of the guys has horses. So if we kill something, I'm going to pay to get this motherfucker down because I'm worn out. Let's go. Elk down.
And here we are, Monday morning, getting our water supply. Sorry about the focus. As long as it's running and clear, just use a gravity filter, fill up our water.
Hunter's log number 23. We're at the top of the mountain. A lot of burn down from 2006. Wanted to show you all this because it's like gravity ropes. I crossed that branch, traversed to this one. Now I'm on this one. All blow down. A lot of work, but we're getting through it. Video log 25. Still up in the... Christopher found a way, I guess. We got into some pretty thick stuff.
Injury.
Christopher saying he saw an elk. Let's look. Let's go. Okay, Hunter's log 26. We haven't heard anything else, but got my finger fixed here. A couple cuts on some of these sharp things, thinking I'm a badass, but came across this. How in the hell is a cow crap on top of the bridge, or on top of this log? Think about that one for a while, will you? Some tough shit, man. Hunter's log number 30, day 6. Getting started. We made the decision last night. Yesterday was a pretty discouraging day. We got about 12 miles in and just beautiful country, but did not see any elk. Didn't hear any bugling, couldn't get anything to call back, so made the decision last night to move down. Going ahead and packing out. So me and my 40-pound friend here about to hike down 2.5 miles back to the truck. We're gonna try a spot down the road a little bit lower elevation. Andrew's wrapping it up. Capitan over there working on some coffee, but he's not gonna be able to complain that we held him up because he wants coffee. All right, here we go again, day 6.
Going back down the mountains. We'll try a different area.
All right, Hunter's log number 33. Here we are at the top of, I don't know what ridge, on an old logging trail. Second to last day, day number 6. Andrew and I hanging out. We kept going. We packed out 2 miles this morning. We're already 6 into this hike and got another 5 back to the truck. So these puppies are tired. We're gonna sit here and watch this hill for about 45 minutes. And then hike back so we can only do the last probably hour in the dark. Then figure out what we do for the last day. Wish us luck. Elk Down 2018. Hunter's log day 6. Sun setting over the mountains. Sound of elk around us. Doesn't get much better than this. Love you all. Here we are, day 6, 8:45. Pitch black.
5 in the bears.
We're working hard, guys. Register here. We were trying to be good. We got one more day. Let's go get them.
I heard of them.
Hunter's log number 34. We are headed back. We finally made it out of the woods and got to the restaurant and realized we were missing something. 100-quart igloo that fell off somewhere back up this mountain. So this day does not end. We're hurting. We're running on empty, guys. That's what we're running on. But we are heading back up because we're gonna find it. It has Orly's shoes in it. A tent that we're supposed to sleep in possibly tonight.
We're gonna be hiking around.
We'll figure it out. We might just say screw it and hunt up here again today. Hunter's log day 7, last day of the hunt. Tweaked my knee last night coming down the trail in the dark, so only made it about 3 miles into our morning hunt. Orly wanted to do the whole loop, so he's doing a big 10-mile loop. We moved the truck up, found a parking spot and a camp spot right next to this wonderful view. Christopher's legs are hurting, so he said he was gonna hang out and clean up camp, get packed and ready to go, take a shower in the river. Hope to do the same. We're gonna camp here tonight. Unless we get lucky, have to pack something else, something out all night. We'll let you know. Elk Down 2018. Here we are for the final hunter log of 2018. We're back where it all started, Uncle Peely's house, with a great breakfast. Shared a bunch of good stories. Unfortunately, this time we're eating a little bit of tag soup.
Yep.
But we gave it hell. We did 10 to 12 miles a day. Orly came off the mountain at 11 o'clock the last night, fighting to the last minute.
Yeah.
This isn't the end, it's just to be continued.
That's all right. Another season to...
I'm glad you guys chose me to get your hunt started and finish it. Proud of you guys.
Thank you.
stuff going on.
Speedometers.
Roswell, New Mexico. What about the battery? Oh,
Everything.
that's all good.
No, everything's auto LSD, ABS, brake lights on.
Don't step.
I wanted to verify that it wasn't on.
I don't know if we should pull over. The aliens might get us. There is nothing wrong with the truck to this point at all.
On the way
And
up.
all the lights are going psycho.